If you feel better on keto and carnivore but are moving less without realizing it, it can slow progress. This is something to catch early. When inflammation drops and pain improves, most people assume their activity will naturally increase, but often the opposite happens. Movement quietly decreases. When the body is inflamed or uncomfortable, people fidget constantly. They shift in their chairs, they stand up more frequently, stretch, reposition, and pace. That discomfort-driven movement adds up throughout the day. But as inflammation drops and the nervous system settles, that fidgeting goes away, which is a good thing. You're more comfortable, you sit longer, and you stay in one position longer. Total daily movement can actually decrease even though you feel better. Now, that kind of fidgeting isn't the neat we want anyway. We don't want movement driven by discomfort. We want neat with intention. And that means walking with purpose, standing to do tasks, gardening, shopping for the day, moving through your environment instead of remaining still. Purposeful low-level movement supports circulation, joint health, and metabolic progress. This is one of those phases where people think things slow down nutritionally when really daily movement just drops slightly. So if your overall movement decreases too much, joints can stiffen, tissues can become less tolerant of activity, and progress can feel slower even though nutrition is on track. So as your body starts to feel better, add movement back in deliberately. Walk daily, stand more, carry things, move with intention. It doesn't need to be intense, it just needs to be consistent and purposeful. Feeling better is an opportunity to move more, not less. Use that window. I'll see you tomorrow.